Deco my tree. So here is a full guide. If you try to use this app, or if you have seen it on somewhere on Snapchat or Instagram, this app is really going viral during holidays. It's pretty cool idea. Yeah, this app can be a bit glitchy, to be honest, and there can be some issues here and there, but here it is. And basically, yeah, so this app is basically you're just sending anonymous messages to your friends in a fun Christmassy way. So you just go and in the app and create your account. Then yeah, you select then you create your tree, you select different designs, and then you share the link of this virtual tree. You post it on Instagram or Snapchat, wherever you like, and then friends can open this link and share anonymous messages and put them on your tree. And then basically you can open your tree after Christmas. So you can't read messages before Christmas. You can only do that after Christmas, and that's basically the idea. You can see a little low rating. That's just because this app sometimes is just glitchy and doesn't work. I wasn't able to open it a few times. Especially during Christmas, during peak times in US, this app is overloaded. So that's just what it is. But eventually I was able to open it. So you just go in there and then you go and create your account. So here is the app, and basically I just already created a tree, and this is how it looks like. So your next step is basically you need to copy your link to share. So then you just copy your link. So you can also share the link with screenshot, just whatever you like. And on this tree, as you can see, you're seeing some decorations, which are basically messages. So here you can see this is how the message looks like. And then I see just the name from who this message is, and I just see that this message will be opened on Christmas Day. So that's basically it. I can't open it and I can't upgrade. There is no paid version. It's a free app, so it's pretty cool. They just have a few ads, I guess, but that's just basically it. So I can't open it up even if I pay, or there is no option like that as of now. But anyhow, so I just copied my link. So let's just try to go to Snapchat, and I will just show you, like for example, if I just tap a snap and then I just wanna add this link. So I just passed it here on my Snapchat. I just tap go, and then I just wanna attach it to a snap, for example. And then I just send it to my stories, and then that's it basically. So I just sent it to my stories on Snapchat. You can just do it wherever you like. You can share it on Instagram, you can share it on Twitter, and then here is my story. You can just go, and then for example someone can go to your story and tap on this link, and then they will see it, and this is how they are seeing the link. So that's the idea. And then they just tap start decorating. So imagine this is one of your friends, and then they select a decor. So this is, they just select any gift for the tree, and then they just need to enter any nickname. So here you just select what's your nickname. So whatever you can write whatever name you like, and then you can just write your message just like that, and then you can just tap decorate. As you can see, I instantly receive a message in the top that I've got a new message, and that's basically what it is. When you were sharing the message, you've seen that there was an opportunity to leave this message anonymously, or so for example here I will show you. So here I just tap start decorating, and then I again wanna send a message, and then here I can share it only to that person, or I can make it public, share it to anyone. So this is kind of important if you want to keep it private and things like that. So that's just basically what it is. That's how it works. And yeah, so there you have it. So as you can see, that's just what it is. And yep, and then that's basically it. So then you just receive the message. You need to update. And then as you can see, here is this message which I just left. And then this is the message. And I can't open it. I need to wait until Christmas. So that's the idea of the app basically. If you don't like the message, or if you don't like, you suspect there can be something bad there, you can always report it, block the user. You can also delete the message here. So that's the way to do it. Also, you can go to settings, and then from there you can delete your account. If you delete your account, all your messages will be permanently deleted. You can make your tree public or private here. So that's like you make a private tree. So yeah, in a way, that's just basically the idea. And then the idea that you just go on your Christmas, you see this Christmas countdown, and then you just open up this tree on a Christmas. So that's just basically the idea here. That's what it is. So yeah, that's what's happening here. And yeah, hope that is helpful. So that's the app. Again, it's free to use. Try it out. Again, there can be a lot of bugs and issues, especially with login issues. Some people leaving messages, they just can't log in or won't let me log in. And there are some bugs. Yeah, I can confirm that on peak days during December, this app, yeah, it's quite glitchy. So you just need to tap multiple times on the screen, and then eventually it's kind of starts working super weird. But basically that's the process. So yeah, that's the idea here. And so yeah, go out and try out this app. By the way, I don't know whether this app is available on Android. I hope it is. You can just search it. For sure it's available on iOS. As you can see, I'm using it on iOS. So that kind of works here. So yeah, that's just what you have here. That's the app. And yeah, have fun with it. Try to share it on Instagram, try to share it on Snapchat. So yeah,